How's it going, everybody? Josiah, Cynical Italian. I know, you're looking at something weird behind me. I was in my shop today. I own a custom car shop, and we were working on a documentary video for this car. Actually, it's sitting behind me. If you want to check that out, go to our other page, Vision Customs, if you want to see stuff about cars and such. What I do in my normal day life is build these custom show cars for people. But anyways, I was in here, just finished up the documentary, so now I'm in here by myself and decided the equipment's all here. It's semi-quiet. We've got a windstorm going on, and so there is lots of wind noises outside the building, but I'm here. I got nobody else interrupting me at this point, so let's do some more new music reviews. Now, again, we're on the Ice Nine Kills road. We're still doing older songs from way back. And what we're going to do here is we're going to do two, not two in one. It'll be two separates. But the first one that we're going to react to is one that people keep telling me, and that is The Nature of the Beast. Now, originally, I didn't think that there was a real video for it, but there is. I found an actual official music video, so we're going to watch that. And then, yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm over talking. I don't know why. I need that just, well, let's get into it. Ice Nine Kills, Nature of the Beast. Yeah, I know. I overkilled that intro. I don't know why. I just did. I started rambling, forgot where I was. Excuse me. So we need to change this and this and this. Make sure that we're going to start recording. Bam, there we are. Let's get the headphones plugged in and on. So yeah, right here, inside the Vision shop in the middle of a storm. And how did I put these things on backwards for some reason? That's weird. Okay. Oh, and we got new mics. I sound so much better. The new mics are amazing. Okay, so make sure we are recording. We're good to go. Ice Nine Kills, Nature of the Beast. We need to get this blown up to full screen here, though. Why are you not letting me do that? What's going on here? Yeah, I got a weird problem going on. It won't let me do what I need it to do.
Well, good morning, folks. Continuing our units on contemporary world history, who would like to tell me what they thought of The Nature of the Beast?
I saw a lot of analogs to the roles of Trotsky and Lenin in the glorious October Revolution.
Exactly. Now, who would like to tell me what in particular was analogous to the Bolshevik Revolution? Yes, I thought you may be a little overcome with sentiment to discuss this today, so I came prepared with a video adaptation. Even though I know you all read it.
So come on to the crumbling.
Pause 50. I don't know that I know what this is. It's a novel, obviously, Nature of the Beast. I have no idea. We've got a crazy farm coming up, but I don't know. I don't know this novel. I didn't read this novel, and the stuff that they all were just talking about right there in school. Yeah, I was one of those kids that was sitting in the back like, yeah, whatever, teach. Yeah, so this one is a complete, I have no idea what this one is. But the music is about to start, so we're going to get into it. Ready? Play.
Walls of our city now painted with red, as the stench of defeat emanates through the streets is the life we once dreamed of, now dead. But we won't break, we will fight, we will storm through the night, enslaved to their game nevermore. With the locks on our cage broken off by the rage, now it's time to settle the score. We are the flayed, we are the torn, we are the beaten and the scorned. And now you force the beast to bare its teeth. We'll come in droves like animals, hungry to reclaim our control.
Pause. 130. I want to say that the first section, again, that was one of those theatrical things that he does. I wasn't digging that, but then as it gets into this more, he has a great voice, but it transitioned and went from that super theatrical that I don't like, and then it went into, as he started getting that more aggressive singing, that clean aggressive singing, which is, I don't know if this is beginning of chorus or not, but that the second section that we just heard, I really, really liked. I just don't like the theatrical stuff. The overdone theatrical at the beginning, I didn't like. What's happening right now, I do like. But we're going to get back into it. Ready? Play. God.
So let's gather at the gallows for the execution. You're the flame, you're the torn, you're the beaten and the scorned. And now you force the beast to bare its teeth. We will come in droves like animals, hungry to reclaim our control. As we fight to bite the bitter hand that feeds. We are afraid, we're on a new door. Look what a master blast, the soldier rifles down. And wait for my command.
Oh,
What good is it to find a sad solution? Another power.
pause. 305. Okay, so I get it. I mean, I still don't know the story, but I understand the basis here, and that there's a hierarchy telling you what you can and can't do, and treating them like animals and making them basically slaves to their world. And this is the rise up of that culture, animals or the beasts fighting back and saying, "No, we're done. We're sick of it." Great visuals. Like I said, I don't know anything about the actual novel, so, but it's the video. It's told me more than I needed to know just by watching that. Musically, God damn, you're gonna hear me say it over and over and over, and I know it's beating a dead drum. All puns intended. The drummer is absolutely phenomenal. Is it the same drummer? Like I said, I haven't done research. I just want to know. I just want to delve into the music and enjoy it. And that's what I'm doing as we go. I mean, I'll do some research, but I would rather you guys that are Ink mega fans tell me, educate me instead of me going and reading stuff. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what the real fans, like I've got bands that I'm a mega fan of that I can tell you all about them. I'll tell you stuff that you don't know about them. I want to know the stuff about these guys. Has it always been the same drummer? Has it been different drummers? This drummer in these songs that I've listened to so far, amazing. I could put him up there in my categories with people like Joey Jorgensen and things of that nature. Yeah, I have become a mega fan off the drummer for this band, and then you bring in just the rest of the music is just great. It's my style, but just the cadences that the drummer is putting into, without this drummer, this music doesn't sound this good. So bring it back into it though. Ready? Play. And just like the last one, having the guitarist screaming in the back.
Have we done what we swore we'd not become? Despite intent, a noble heart still believes.
Give me one more breakdown. Come on.
Time goes on and history repeats.
Ah.
So, what do we think?
Like rocks, man.
It was kind of horrifying.
Yeah.
Yes, hypocrisy generally is.
$4:45. We'll turn it off right there. That all makes sense, right? You got it, right? You understand what's going on here, don't you? I do. Yeah, good. Another good video that really, their theatrical part of their videos, telling stories through videos is pretty awesome. I really am enjoying the visuals that I'm getting from all the videos. That one didn't let me down either. Not my favorite, but not my least favorite. That one's right in the middle right now so far. After, I don't know what we've done, 6 of these. That one's right there in the middle. That one's a good song. I get it. Just the drummer's phenomenal. I can't say anymore. So, anyways, thank you. Ice Nine Kills, Nature of the Beast official music video. I'm Josiah, Cynical Italian. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thank you to all you new people that keep coming on board. We're not just an Ice Nine Kills page. We are doing other stuff. We're just happen to be on this. I didn't know them. And so we're on this road of me learning this band and having a good time. So stick around for more Ice Nine Kills and for lots of other type of music. We're going to bounce around. Well, there'll be all kinds of stuff on this page. So thank you. We'll see you in the next one. I'm out.